Mustard greens, a leafy green vegetable belonging to the Brassica family, are not only a flavorful addition to various dishes, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, mustard greens provide numerous health benefits that make them a valuable component of a healthy diet. Mustard greens have multiple uses, including antiseptic and disinfection for wound healing, supporting renal function with a diuretic, detoxifying and strengthening agent for the blood, and a cold and sore throat therapy. Here are top 12 benefits of mustard greens for health and wellness. Rich in nutrients, mustard greens are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, K, and folate, as well as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. High in antioxidants. These greens are rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids, beta-carotene, and vitamin C, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Supports heart health. The high levels of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in mustard greens help lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular health. Boosts immune system. Mustard greens contain vitamin C and other immune-boosting nutrients that help strengthen the body's defense mechanisms. Promotes bone health. The high vitamin K content in mustard greens is essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Aids in detoxification. Mustard greens contain compounds that support the liver's detoxification processes, helping to cleanse the body of toxins. Supports eye health. The beta-carotene and vitamin A in mustard greens are crucial for maintaining good vision and preventing age-related eye conditions. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in mustard greens have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Regulates blood sugar. The fiber and antioxidants in mustard greens help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with diabetes. Promotes healthy skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in mustard greens contribute to healthy skin, reducing signs of aging and improving skin tone. Supports respiratory health. The anti-inflammatory properties of mustard greens can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory system, supporting lung health. Improves cognitive function. The folate and antioxidants in mustard greens support brain health and cognitive function, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.